imagine that you're talking to your friends, and your friends are here, but there's one person there with you that's kind of a jerk. Do you know anybody like that? The kids will go, yeah. Don't say any names, and you're not a jerk, but do you know how a jerk would act? They would disagree with everything I'm going to say. Like if I said, oh, our dress code makes us look ugly. No, it doesn't. And you said, no, it doesn't. And I'd say, yes, it does. And you'd say, no, it doesn't. If I walked off right now, and that person made me look just kind of stupid in front of my friends. Everybody knows what it's like to disagree. Football makes a lot of money. We should keep our football program. It makes so much money. Now I'm going to be the jerk. You say football makes a lot of money.
Football makes a lot of money.
It doesn't make money. You just said that. You don't even know that football makes any money. You made that up. If then she walks away, I made her look really bad. Right? So what you do is imagine you're not writing what you're saying. You're saying it out loud and your friends are there. But there's somebody standing right next to you that is kind of a jerk and doing that. Imagine what you'd say. Okay, now you be the jerk again. And I'm going to say that football thing. And let's see what happens. Football makes a lot of money.
No, it really doesn't.
It does too.
No, it really doesn't.
Prove it. Well, that's the only way I know how to shut somebody up. That's disagreeing with me and saying I don't know it. And that is to say, how do I know it? Well, I went to a game. No, you didn't. I did last Thursday. I went to a game. It was the Falcons versus the Knights. Those were from my high school. And I went with two of my friends. We went in, we bought tickets, we bought programs, we bought some nachos, one of us got a soda. By the time we left, we'd spent $37. And there were thousands of people in the stands. You do the math. And that makes her turn and walk off. Dude. Let's hear it for Lorraine.
That's the name of my birth certificate. It's my parents' last name as well.
Well, just tell me one thing.
It's the name of my birth certificate.
Huh? What does that mean, birth certificate? What does that mean?
When you're born.
So much patience.
When you're born at the hospital, they put your name and the name of your parents and the date and your weight, and they even put your little footprints and fingerprints.
So your answer is what's your last name?
My last name is Pettis.
Thank you, Edna. These are written on the whiteboard, written right here. So, Alicia, is it hot outside?
Yes, it is hot outside.
How do you know it's hot outside?
Because when I step outside, I sweat.
Huh? What does that mean, you sweat?
So sometimes when you're really hot, your body has to cool off, and the way to do that is by sweating. Use like little things of water.
How else do you know that it's hot outside?
Mark those.
Oh, because you get a lifeline?
Thermometer fire.
Well, because my phone tells me that it's 97 degrees outside, and that's close.
What does 97 degrees outside mean?
Well, it's freezing. It's 32 degrees. You know that. It's really hot if it's 97 degrees. Am I right? 32 degrees?
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is what?
It's really hot.